myself myself Amtu, lecturer in physics from Government Giraj College, Nizamabad. So, today we will discuss about AND gate. That is, AND in sense, all as we discussed that three basic gates, three basic logic gates. It is possible three operation, that is OR, addition and multiplication, and NOT operation represented by a bar over the variable. So, and what is AND gate? AND means multiplication. So here it is given that the AND gate is a circuit which provides an output when all the inputs are simultaneously present. Okay, in AND gate. So this AND gate symbolic representation of two inputs is given in the figure. Okay, that is, it is having two inputs and one output, and its symbol is like D, capital D. So here the AND gate may be thought of an electrical equivalent circuit in which the switches are connected in series. Okay, whereas in OR gate they are connected in parallel, but in AND gate they are connected, the switches are connected in series. So only if A and B both are closed, then only the output will be high. That means the lamp will glow. If any one of the input is low or both input is low, then the output will be low. So mathematically this AND gate is represented as A dot B is equal to X. Okay, because multiplication, whereas in OR gate we use, that is addition, A plus B, here A dot B. So in this case, if both inputs are high, then only you will get output is high, otherwise you will get low output. So the dot placed between input symbols will give the AND gate. Okay, the dot placed between input symbols will give the AND gate. So when A is closed and B is open, if suppose A is closed and B is closed, then X is true, output. A and B are two inputs and X is the output. If A is closed and B is closed, then X is true. Okay, means if both are in true, then X will be true. Suppose the state closed for true or true can be given by number 1. Okay, the state closed or true can be given by number 1, and the state false or open state can be given by number 0. So here we can see this is the diagram of AND gate. See, A and B are connected in series. So 1 dot 1 is equal to 1, or 1 if both inputs are 1, suppose A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, then what will be the output? 1 dot 1, A dot B is equal to 1. If 1, suppose A is high or B is low, then 1 dot 0 is equal to 0, or 0 dot 1 is equal to 0. So the considering different combinations of true and false statement, the truth table can be constructed. So this for the truth table for AND gate is given. It is having, see, the input output possibilities of two input gates. How many? Suppose there are two inputs, how many input output possibilities are there? We will see for AND gate. So what we are saying, the output occurs only when all inputs are high. The output occurs only when all inputs are high. Suppose if any one input is low or both input is low, then output will be 0. Okay. So here the diagram is given. The inputs are given as two inputs. A and B are the two inputs, and output is given as x is equal to A dot B. A dot B. Okay. So if A is 0, suppose first input is 0 and B second input is also 0, then what is the output in the truth table? A dot B, that is 0. It is already seen in diagram also. Suppose A is 0, B is 1. What will be the output? X is equal to A dot B, that is 0. Okay, 0 dot 1 means 0. If A is high, B is low, then what is the output? Again low. Suppose both inputs are high, then output will be high. Suppose we are getting 1 1. What is the output? 1. So how circuit operation is performing? We will see circuit and operation. This figures, see in the diagram, shows the diode implementation of positive logic, okay, to input AND gates. These are the diode. In this figure 6th B logic to input AND gates. The anodes of the two diodes are connected in parallel. See, anodes are connected in parallel. The circuit operation is very simple to understand. What is that? See, when A and B are 0, suppose this A and B are their switches. A and B are 0. The cathode of each diode is grounded. See, if A and B are 0 means the cathode is grounded. Therefore, the positive supply is forward bias. So both the diodes are in parallel. Okay. So forward bias means both the diodes are conducting. Okay. Both the diodes are conducting. So we know for conduction diode has very low resistance and output voltage. So it will be nearly 0. The whole voltage VCC will be dropped across RL, load resistance only. Hence A and B are 0. Output is also 0. If input is 0, output will be 0. Okay. Suppose when A is 0, that is A is low and B is equal to 5 volts. We are giving for A as 0 and B equal to 5 volts. Then the diode D1 is grounded and D2 is reversed bias. Due to reverse biasing, the diode D2 stops conducting. So the diode D1 will now conduct due to forward biasing. Therefore, the output will be 0. Again, due to one input is low, another one is high. Again, for third condition, when A is at 5 voltage high and B is low. So in this case also the output is short circuited to ground through diode D2. Again the output will be 0. So when A and B both are high, In last case, we are using A and B as high. If A and B are high, the both diodes are non-conducting since the diodes are off, so there is no current through RL. So the output is equal to the supply voltage, that is 5 volts. Therefore, output is high. So this all output results only when all inputs A and B are present. If both are high, then only the output will be high. If any one input is low or both inputs is low, then output will be low. So it is given as, it indicates, this AND function is indicated by means of either dot or cross placed between two input signals, that is x is equal to A and B. That means it is equal to A dot B or it is equal to A cross B. It is again shown in figure that if A, A dot 0 is equal to 0, when A is equal to 0, then 0 dot 0 is equal to 0. When A is equal to 1, then 1 into 0 will also again 0. So here in this diagrams, if A is 0, B is 0, what is the output? Output will be 0. If again in second, if A is 1, B 0, again output will be 0. Okay. For if suppose A 0, B 0, output will be 0. Again A1, B1, then only we will get output will be 1. So if this, so the truth table is, if any one input is 0 or both input is 0, that is if any one input is low or both are low, then we will get output as low. If both are high, then only the output will be high. This is about the AND gate. Again NOT gate. NOT gate is a gate which with only one input and one output. NOT gate means it is having only one input and one output. So it is called, the output state is always opposite to input state. So that is when the input voltage is high, the output is low, and when output is high, input is low. So the NOT gate is also called as an inverter. For its symbol is given below. See the symbol of NOT gate. With the bubble, small circle is shown. When either of the symbol is used, see here one input is given as A and one output. Whenever you are giving input as 0, output will be 1. When input as 1, output will be 0. The truth table of NOT gate is given below. So it is having only single input and single output. That is, when switch A is closed, the bulb will not glow, and vice versa. So if input A as 0, the output x is equal to A bar, that is equal to 1. When A is equal to 1 input, then output x is equal to A bar will be 0. So for low input, output will be high. For high input, output will be low. This is about NOT gate. So these are the three basic gates and OR and NOT gate. By connecting these gates in different ways, we can build the circuits that can perform arithmetic operations.